Rare earth magnets quietly power everything: EV motors, wind turbines, defense system. And now India is stepping into its high stake supply chain. But here is the real question: is this a genuine strategic breakthrough or still years away from market impact? Most investors are looking at the headline. Very few are analyzing the supply chain reality. Stay till the end because one bottleneck will decide whether India truly becomes a rare earth magnet power or not. Rare earth magnets are critical for electric vehicles, renewable energy, consumer electronics, defense technology. They are small components, but they control massive industries. And that's why the global supply chain is tightly concentrated. Which brings us to the real strategic problem. For years, the rare earth magnet ecosystem has been heavily concentrated. Now, this created supply vulnerability, pricing power concentration, and strategic risk for importing countries. That is why multiple nations are now pushing for diversification, India included. But entering the rare earth value chain is not easy. This is where reality gets interesting. India has three potential advantages: resource potential, growing EV ecosystem, and policy push for manufacturing. If executed properly, this could support domestic EV supply chain, renewable energy expansion, strategic manufacturing depth. But, and this is critical, mining is only step one because one major bottleneck still remains. So, the hardest part is processing and magnet manufacturing capability. Not extraction, not announcement, processing. Countries that control refining and magnet production capture the real value. If India builds full stack capability, it leads to a strategic win, manufacturing tailwind, and market re-rating potential. If not, it remains partial progress. Now that distinction matters more for investors. If India scales successfully, then in terms of market, it will be bullish for the ecosystem supplier, select specialty chemical players, advanced manufacturing, and defense supply chain. But the risk will also remain with respect to execution timeline, technology gap, scale economics. Markets will reward capacity that actually comes online. Retail investors chase EV headlines. Serious investors track the materials before the EV revolution. If you want structural breakdowns of the next industrial shift before they become obvious, this channel is built for that. In the EV race, motors get attention, magnets control the game. What's the supply chain? Careful.